We are here to try and demonstrate to the mining bosses that the damage that they've caused into the communities actually kill people. It does not only pollute our air and contaminate our water. Thus, we have brought water from various resources such as taps, streams, rivers, so that they can see, if they so wish, taste it and see whether they can actually survive. This is to demonstrate the damage done by mining houses in the communities where these people are coming from.
Do you think that this Indaba should be happening in the first place?
Indaba should be happening only if the civil society is involved, so that there can be dialogue as to how we can improve on mining, so that it is a responsible mining rather than that extraction of resources and damaging the environment.
They talk a lot about expansion in Africa, and there's a lot of talk about how much more money they want to do in Africa. Does that make your message even more pertinent?
It is, because it's actually a fallacy. They don't mean what they say. They say one thing and do another thing. They are refusing to engage with communities where they are extracting these resources. And until that happens, there would never be any cooperation between the company that is mining and the communities where they are mining.
Come and see and taste water contaminated by mining in the communities where we come from. CEOs of mining companies are invited to come and taste water contaminated by their mine in communities where we live. This is the water that people are drinking. We want the CEOs to come and see how they damage the environment, the resources that God has really given to us.